Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Many students are calling to me to join our course, but the thing is they don't have that much of money to join our course or any other courses, right? Really, they have more interest to learn laptop chip level servicing. So, keeping in those things in my mind, so I have released a option in YouTube. Okay, I'll repeat a option I released in YouTube. Daily basis I'm uploading, not daily, some weekly basis I'm uploading many videos regarding the complete laptop chip level services. Okay, whoever wants to join, you can join for only 799 rupees per month. Many videos you can see and you can learn yourself without any support. Okay, if you know how to gain the knowledge, so this is the best option to you with very minimal budget, that is 799 rupees per month. So I'll tell you the procedure, how to go and what you have to do. See, you have to go to YouTube and just type Pavithra Laptop Care, enter. My channel name is PLC, this one Pavithra Laptop Care, just enter that. Welcome. Here is the option, just join. In HP, here two options are there. One is 299 rupees per month, it's a schematic reading. You can learn only schematic readings in these options. Other one is chip level services, it's a 799 rupees complete chip level repair. Here many more videos you can get regarding the complete chip level services. So why you are waiting for? Just to join, click on join button and follow the procedures. In 1 month you're not learned, you're not gained any sufficient knowledge, then you can continue next month also by paying the same amount, 799. In 1 month you gained all the knowledge, then you can disconnect the amount. Okay, disconnect that one. You need not to pay anything. This is the best option, right? So it's actually your own interest. It depends on your interest. You can join. There is no force in that. Okay, thank you very much.